Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Winnie's Way. I am still here in Khanom, and I am just gonna be riding around, exploring. So I hope that you're able to enjoy the information and the street views and the beach views of Khanom. I don't know why I keep mispronouncing it. That I'm able to bring to you. It'll be several episodes or several videos because I'll be here for a little while. I hope you enjoy. Now, if you're planning a trip to Thailand and want an experience that feels authentic, peaceful, and visually unforgettable, make sure you put Khanom on the top of your list. You definitely will not regret it. I mean, look at these amazing views, guys. Come on. Ah, so beautiful. I mean, this is just a gentle reminder that paradise doesn't always have to be loud, crowded, or commercialized. Sometimes the best destinations are just the ones where you can just slow down and take a deep breath and just let the natural beauty of the world take center stage. I mean, look at this beautiful place. Oh my goodness. You just have to definitely see it in person because just the videos alone does not do it justice. And once I walked out on this beach, oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful scenery, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Uh,
A few moments later.
Okay, here they have like little villas that you're able to rent out. And then they have bar over here where you could order. Well, I guess it's more than a bar, it's a restaurant as well. You could order food. And then they have the bar over here on the right hand side. And then, of course, it is also foots away from the beach. And if you want, you could have a lazy day like this doggy. Jeez. And you could rent, I guess, a table, oh, the paddle board and everything here. One is for, well, depending on the length of time, half a day, 60 baht. I guess the whole day. Oh no, for one person is 60 baht. For two people, it's 100 baht. And the bodyboard, same. And here they are. And steps away from the beach. I am actually down in this direction. And no, I haven't walked it yet, but I will. Probably Tuesday. You could see those homes over, or those well, I guess they're villas or whatever, rental property over there in the distance. I was there earlier or near there earlier today. Right now I'm at Margarita Beach, and I just wanted you guys to see what it's looking like. And yes, I'll be walking over to that pier to see what's out there. For those high rocks or big rocks. But yeah, nice beach day. All right, guys. I will be pulling you back up later. More to come. And right now it's looking like a high tide. Look at this, guys. A secluded beach to myself. Just me and I don't know if you can see Spot over there. I'm gonna walk down a little bit because I don't want us to get acquainted. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. Y'all see Spot back there? Yeah. We don't need to get acquainted at all. But he is usually up there sometime. Oh, look. Somebody else decided to do what I wanted to do as well. Can y'all see him? Oh, and now I see some other folks. All right. See what I get into. Because you got to be UV protected. But yeah, going to get me something to eat. So I'm taking you along so you can see where I'm going. Yeah, I don't know how far down I need to walk, but it didn't look that far when I was eating there. So we'll see. All right, more to come. They are constructing or manufacturing a home up there made of concrete for it to hopefully withstand the storms that may come. And as I continue my walk, I see, I don't know if y'all see that or not, but there's a crab in the water. Oh, it just ran away. Yeah, I digress, sorry. But yeah, they're also doing construction up here where you see the people in the blue. When I get closer, I'll pull you guys back up so you can see this place that they're constructing seem to be a lot bigger, probably a condo or something. There used to be beachfront condos, resorts, overlooking the ocean here. Very nice. Yeah, if I was riding the motor scooter, I wouldn't have been able to see all of this from there. Because when you're on the road, you don't see this parts of the beach. Like women and kids out here working. But yeah, more to come. It's like I'm getting closer to my destination. I think where I'm going is actually near where that boat is down there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But I feel like I'm getting closer to these trees. Oh my gosh. Felt like they've been here for decades. Oh, and I see another beach dog. Hopefully he stays where he is and not try to see who I am. Hey dog, I'm not coming for you. Okay guys, I am coming up on a boat, but it is not the boat that I am looking for. It's actually the one that's a little further down. But this specific area looks kind of cool. And no, we're not going up there to check it out because we do have security. And I don't know if this is. Actually, maybe I'll check it out a little bit. Let's see if it's a restaurant or resort. But I do see showers over there and they have cameras. So they don't just allow anybody up there all willy-nilly. And this boat actually has an engine. It's a speedboat. Oh, I just made it down to Sophie's shop. So that means I have even further to walk. Oh boy. It's just Sophie's. I was here the other night or the other evening. And there's, I don't know if that's a park or another um, resort. And there's chairs with some swings and a pink and blue dolphin. See you in a few minutes. Oh, this is so pretty. It's called Cozy Khanom. Yeah, like a nice place to conduct a wedding. There's another building there. I'm not sure what that is. You can see the sandbar area. Oh, look at the sandbar. Wow, it's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's a whole. Oh, I think I'm stepping on the baby eggs of the little crabs. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's like designs. And that's what all of that area right here is. You know, this area. It's pretty cool. And here's another area. It's on the beach. And I guess I'll be going through there to see where it takes me, since I have not made it to where I was looking for, because I thought maybe this was it, but it's not. Oh, look at these little pods of water. Not walking down there. There's more of those little egg things with those little shrimps. Y'all, all of this for some chicken. This is insane, right? I may have to climb this rock, see what's on the other side. But it looks like it has been here for years. I just wish I could take the grab back. But fortunately, I don't think they have that option. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to pull y'all back up in a minute. Okay, it looks like it leads to more rocks. And I really don't know how much more further I have to go. Or I guess I could have walked around the rocks in the water. But what fun would that have been? I don't know if I could climb those. Okay. Let's go and see. Okay. Sorry guys, it looked like I may have to turn back. I don't know if you can see that crab. These are the crabs. These are the crabs that's building those boulders. As you can see, that one didn't make it. Okay, guys. So I did not quite make it where I wanted to be, but I was able to find food elsewhere. Even though I climbed that high mountain, I'm just joking, those rocks of slate just sitting there. Anyway, I just decided to stop at, well, on my way back, stop at Sopa to grab me something to eat. I just placed my order. They do make their orders fresh to order, their items fresh to order. Yeah. So, yeah, I can't wait to eat because I haven't eaten all day. And y'all would see, well, I ordered Penang curry with rice, seafood, well, shrimp. Maybe I should have ordered it with chicken. But anyway, that's what I decided to order. So let me turn you guys around so y'all see where I am. We were here 2 days ago, we meaning myself and you guys, because I brought y'all up with me. All right. So this is what the outside of the restaurant looked like. I came up the stairs there. The water was further back, but the tide's coming in. I don't know what that rope's about. I don't know if you can see it. I think it's to save the coconut tree. Because there's one on each of the trees. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take the road back and see what I find along the way, or see what I see along the way. There's no grab here, and I have to have my energy. Okay, guys, this is the meal. Oh, looks so good. So this is the main road from where I was, and I'll be walking. Not exactly sure how long or how far the walk is. I believe it's to that yellow sign down there. I want you guys to see the difference with the bird. I don't know if y'all can see him walking over there with the yellow beak. There's another restaurant, Khanom Cabana, and that's another restaurant there as well. I don't know what that one's called or even if it's still operational, but it's pretty on the outside. It's no longer operational, just in case you guys were wondering. Now, that blue that you see out there, not where the clouds are, but looking down, that's all ocean.
As you can see, this is nothing like Bangkok. There is not a whole bunch of people walking around and not a bunch of traffic. There are cars, but not as many as you'd see in Bangkok. Luckily, it's not a scorching day today, so I am able to walk a little bit at this time in the afternoon. That sign says public beach. And it's down that road, Khanom 25. If anyone's looking for a place to rent, they have houses for rent down here, daily and monthly. Down that way. Look at the chickens over there. There's homes across the street. Convenience shop. There's some more restaurants. There's a massage shop over here. Over on the left-hand side there. There is quite a few tourists that's here from Australia and some other countries. Russia, yeah, because I heard there was a lot of Russians here. There's a sports bar, open from 11 to 1. Do they call it a resort because it's on the beach? I don't know. It's a good question though. Ah, look at this big moo up here, guys. Just over here grazing. Oh, look, they also have land for sale. If anyone's interested in purchasing some land. Y'all see him. I don't want y'all messing with his food today. Sorry, he is actually a she. And there's some homes over here.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Winnie's Way. I hope that you enjoyed From the Beach to the Streets. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
I thought this was the street that I turned down, but apparently it's not. Oh, but they do sell burgers here. Oh, it's called the No Name Bar. Literally, No Name Bar.